Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and I just wanted to let you know that I am hosting a junk journal retreat. Yay! I'm so excited, and it's going to be in Wisconsin. So if you are in Wisconsin, or you can take an airplane to Wisconsin, then you might want to join us. So yeah, just wanted to let you know, and now I'll be explaining all the details. So I've written it all down so I don't forget anything. But the Junk Journal Craft Retreat is from April 13th through the 15th, 2023, from Thursday through Saturday. There is an arrival check-in day on Wednesday, so you just stay overnight at the hotel on Wednesday night. But the actual event doesn't actually start until Thursday, April 13th. So it will be hosted by me, and I will be, coordinating and designing what we're going to be doing, and more of that to come. But included, and more to come, I mean, on the next page of this. So included, it does include 3 meals on Thursday, 3 meals on Friday, breakfast and lunch on Saturday. It does include complimentary coffee, tea, and hot cocoa 24 hours a day. And it includes sleeping accommodations. So the crafting sessions will be from 9:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Thursday with meal breaks. And that's April 13th. And then Friday, it's same time, 9:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Friday, 4/14. And on Saturday, it's only from 10:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the last day. So those will be all of our crafting time blocks, essentially. It will be located at a place called Cobblestone Inn and Suites in Brillion, Wisconsin. So if you want to look that up on your Google Maps. The cost, and if you were flying in, you could fly into Green Bay Airport or the Appleton International Airport. Those are 2 different airports, by the way. The cost is $7.99, although I do have a sale going on this week, $200 off of the price. So it's only $5.99, and that the sale ends Sunday, January 22nd, 2023, and that includes sharing a room with, but you do get your own queen bed. So there'll be 2 queens in the room, and then you will share the room with another attendee. The $9.49 includes a private room. So if you want to pay the extra to have your own room, that includes 2 queen beds. Okay. There is a price as well if you do happen to live in Wisconsin and don't need the hotel. So, you can always email me with that as well. And in addition to any questions that you have. So here is my email address. What's my email? ROT dash, the dash is important, PURSUIT.com. So I will be putting this up on my website as well. But back to the actual crafting sessions. So I do think, and I was asked this question, do you think it's good for beginners? And I absolutely do. I think it's both good for beginners and for experienced crafters, junk journalers, definitely. I think, yeah, so every session is going to include make and takes. So you can either do the make and takes along with me, or you can simply, take your make and take and set it aside, and you still get to take all those with you, but then you can work on your own junk journal projects of your choice if you wanted to do that as well. So I think it's going to be kind of open where you can kind of craft along, or you can do your own thing. So I think that makes it a good compromise. And that way, if people are really looking for that guidance, you know, I'll probably survey people before they come and then arrange the seating so that people that are less experienced are closer to me. Or if they're going to be doing the make and takes, have them closer, a little bit closer to where I'm sitting. So I have taught a lot of crafting classes over the years. Obviously, I teach a lot on these YouTube videos. And actually, I bet you didn't know this about me. I have a graduate degree in instructional design and technology. Yes, I do. Doesn't that sound fancy? So whatever good that does, but I do have it. So I'm pretty easygoing, and I'm really hoping that, you know, we have a really good atmosphere of people. You know, I'd like to facilitate an atmosphere of camaraderie and just hope we all have a really good time. So I'm very excited about it. And there will be lots of goodies that you get to take home. In addition to the make and takes, everyone will be getting my 1800s paper bundles. So that will be included. And also there are some attendees that do have a junk journal shop. And I am told that they will be gifting everyone some items from their junk journal Etsy shop. So that's kind of exciting. So yay. And as we are adding on more people, just so you know, there's a limited number of seats. I'm leaving it to 9 slots. So some of those slots are already taken up. So if this week is a good time to get that $200 off. And like I said, the sale ends January 22nd, 2023. If you have any questions or concerns, or, you know, have something in here that you want to know more about, feel free to send me an email and let's talk about it. Or if you're ready to sign up, you can send me an email and we can do that too. I hope you'll definitely consider this, and hope you, if you can't come to mine, you hope you can get to some kind of a group craft thing this year, because it is really fun, isn't it? Yeah, it is. All right, well, just wanted to lay that all out for you and give you all the details in video form. I will have it on my website. I'll put the link in the description. I'm hoping to get that link up very soon, but it may not be up right as this video is posted. So, but within a day. So for sure by Wednesday, January, what would that be? 22nd, I don't know. 18th, January 18th. Oh, that's my brother's birthday. I need to give him a call. All right. Well, as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.